1 mole, suppose here the 1 mole I have taken 1 mole of NaOH, I have added into 1 liter of water, then the concentration is said to be equal to, if an alkali solution has concentration equal to 1 mole per liter or greater than 1 mole per liter, then it is said to be a concentrated alkali. Then it is said to be concentrated alkali. Suppose if I add 2 liters or 2 moles per 1 liter, that means amount of NaOH is more, then it is said to be concentrated alkali. Even if I add 1 mole of NaOH in 1 liter of water also, then also it is called as concentrated alkali. Suppose if I add only 0.9 mole, is it less than 1 or not? 0.9. If I add only 0.9 mole of NaOH in 1 liter of water, then what is the concentration now? The concentration is said to be 0.9 mole per liter. The concentration is said to be 0.9 mole per liter. Now, if it is less than 1 mole per liter, if it is less than 1 mole per liter, then the solution is said to be the alkali solution has concentration is equal to 0.9 mole per liter. Hence, it is said to be dilute solution. Okay, if it is less than, if the concentration is less than 1, if the concentration is less than 1 mole per liter, then the solution is said to be dilute alkali solution. Okay, got it. So here the concentration is less than 1 only, because 0.9 mole per liter. Hence the concentration is less than 0.9 means less than 1. 0.9 means it is less than 1. Hence it is said to be dilute alkali solution. So like this we can discuss about the alkali solutions, classification of alkali solution based on what? Based on the concentration. Concentration is nothing but the measure of amount of water or else the measure of amount of the alkali taken. So if more alkali is taken, then it is said to be concentrated solution. If less alkali is taken, then it is said to be dilute solution. Generally, if the concentration is less than 1 mole per liter, then it is said to be dilute alkali. If the concentration is at least 1 mole per liter, then it is said to be concentrated alkali. Okay. So dilute alkali means, so concentration is less than 1 mole per, it is less than 1 mole per liter. Here